Yeah, I'm out here riding my bike in the wetlands out here. Beautiful night. Perfect temperature. Really nice out here. Got people walking, riding bikes. Keep going. There's some people out here walking. They were out here the last couple of nights. Just out here riding along, right alongside these wetlands over here. So yeah, a nice lake over here. Up there on the other side of the hill is the wetlands are all around that lake there. And then over here in this field, you have a few geese that like to land down in here and take a siesta, I guess, and eat a little bit. So just a few, just a few geese here. In fact, like I said, just a few. Just a couple. Well, the eagles are back this evening. Looks like there's 2 bald eagles sitting up there tonight. There were 3 the other night. Now there's 3 of them up there. Hear them squawking? Well, now there's 4 of them up there. See if I can do this, just holding it. He's looking down at something to eat. It's hard to hold this camera still.